once again in the kitchen. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put 1 cup of hot water. Not making too much. This amount is pretty good. Alright. Yeah. That amount is so good. So we don't need to use this whole heap of water. Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our ingredients and put it in it. 1 cup. Yeah, 1 cup. So if you're at home, you can measure 1 cup. That's Chef Ricardo eye measurement. Okay. So this is the garlic. This is the white onion. All right. So right here. So we're gonna get the white onion, and we're going to put the white onion into the water. All right, guys. Yeah. Just like that. Alright, that's the white onion in the water. So that's looking good so far. Get the garlic, and then we're going to put 3 chopped clove garlic into the water. Yeah, just like that. All right, cloves is a must. We're gonna put a few cloves into it. All right, so I'm gonna put some cloves into it like this. All right, remember to get yourself a copy of the book. All right, guys. All right, now drink this 1 in the morning, 1 at night before bedtime. All right, good vibes. So guys, you guys can see that this is fantastic and amazing. You don't even want to boil it, so you just want to simple make it just kind of jar from the water. Been drinking this almost every evening because I can see the full benefit, what I'm getting it from it, because I've been drinking it over the last couple of days, and yeah, it's really good and it is working for me. All right, yeah. So I don't know about you guys if you've been trying this. All right. I don't know if you guys are trying this cup of tea, because I've been, for my own self, I've been trying it over the last couple of days. And trust me, it is amazing. I love it. So I want to encourage you to give it a try. I don't know. It's up to you guys. I cannot force you and tell you exactly what to drink and what you guys don't want to make at home. All right, but all I know, you don't have to have high blood pressure even to drink this one. You can just drink it and get the full 100% benefit from it, because the benefit is fantastic and amazing. All right, yeah, I've been doing it for a long time now, so you guys are supposed to get familiar with this. Ears is in, big up yourself. All right, we're not putting any ginger in it. We're just using the white onion and garlic and cloves. All right, that's the way it looks. Very, very powerful for the high blood pressure, guys. All right, I've been drinking this for about a week now, and yeah, it's amazing. The benefit is good, and yeah, I love it. For me, no cold, no flu, no sickness. Yeah, good vibes. Look at that. That is fantastic. fantastic and an amazing. So you want to drink this a cup a day. 1 cup at night, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening before you go to bed, and 1 in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, so get your garlic, your cloves, and your white onion with some hot water, and I use this. All right, that looking fantastic and amazing. Let's turn off the cooker. We don't want it to boil it. We don't want to boil it, guys, honestly. All right, we just don't want to boil it. We want to jar it into the pot with all of that amazing benefit from the ingredients. Good vibes. Hello, chef on the chat. I love your channel. I just want to add, do you have high blood pressure? I don't have high blood pressure anymore. Congratulations, man. Well done. Because I stopped drinking for 6 months now. I have. Okay, good vibes. Yeah, I mean that we are trying to work on right now, because there's a lot of people are asking me about this high blood pressure thing from the other day, and I keep encouraging my audience. My skin is clear up now and I'm back. All right, good vibes. Grandma child, big up yourself. Golden child, big up yourself. Yeah, that's what we want to hear. Yeah, that's what we want to hear. We want to hear positive news and good news. All right, yeah, man. It's an amazing recipe, guys. I've been drinking it over the last couple of weeks, and I'm telling you, trust me, it is beautiful. And that's why I go and buy some more onion yesterday, because I said to myself, the benefit is credible. Yeah. The benefit, man, is amazing. The garlic, the onion, or if you even want to add some ginger, it's up to you. You can add a little bit of ginger, but I'm pretty good with this. Yeah, I'm pretty good with this, guys. Look at that. So we just want that to sleep off into the water for a little bit, and then someone is asking me, what is it in the pot? I drink this with this, and it makes me having that smell. Okay, well, the garlic is very strong. You know, the garlic is very strong, and but now I tell you, like, garlic is very strong on its own and have a high strength, but you're gonna have to think about the benefit. It's all about the benefit we're talking about, and what is good for, and you know how you can also enjoy the benefit of the garlic and the white onion with the cloves. The benefit is very good, and yeah, we just want to encourage you guys to make sure you are tucking that benefit inside of your stomach. You know what I mean? Very, very powerful benefit. All right, so we'll just sleep this just like this. All right, look at that. That is fantastic and amazing, guys. And I know you look at that. That is the cloves right there. That's the white onion. These are the garlic. We chop up the garlic. Roughly about 4 cloves of garlic. Sleep it off into the water. That looks amazing and delicious. So what you want to do, you want to drink this liquid, 1 at night and 1 in the morning on an empty stomach. Look at that liquid. You can see how the water look different. And that's what we're talking about. But the liquid looks amazing and fantastic. Don't add any honey to it. Don't add any sugar or no sweetener. Just drink it naturally as it is right here. Because a lot of us, we use too much honey and sugar and sweetener, and we're not using the right honey. So yeah, that's why I want to say just use natural ingredients. right. You don't need to add anything. Onion and cloves and garlic. Yeah, man. Give it a try at home. Once you drink that, you're gonna always remember Chef Ricardo for the rest of your life. Honestly. You're gonna be like, why I wasn't doing this from a long time. Alright. Why? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it off of the heat. Okay. Let's take it off of the heat, guys. What does it do? Very good for boosting the immune system. It's also very good to help you. Do you eat the onion and the garlic? If you like to eat it, trust me, you can eat it. But you don't have to. But if you want to eat it, very good. Alright? Yeah, man. Very good. I would say, yeah, you're doing a good work. Alright. That looking lovely and amazing. Jen, what's going on? Nice to see you coming on the show. Alright. We've been drinking this over the last couple of days. Onion, garlic. Alright. Thank you for sharing. I see this video. Send this video to mom. Yeah, definitely. Your mom probably know about this recipe. Yeah, because these recipes is proper whole time recipes. Yeah, so probably your mom know about these recipe. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, people. It's all about, you know what I mean, giving thanks for life. We are here every day, trying our best to give you guys good recipes and ideas. All right. So right here, once again, we got the garlic and the white onion and some cloves and a cups of water. Sleep into this and drink the liquid, one in the morning, one in the evening before bed. All right. Remember the book, guys. Get yourself a copy on Amazon. Okay. Yeah, man. Good vibes. So, liquid is amazing. All right. The liquid is, let's talk about the book quickly. So remember, you can get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. Chef Ricardo, Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys to get on yourself. Maybe we'll open up the screen. Get on yourself a copy of my book. All right. Lots of people keep asking me the question, how can I get the book? Yes, it is in audio, soft cover, Kindle, you name it. And also, yeah, it's in every version for you guys. All right. Whatever you're looking for. Yeah, it's in it. So get yourself one of this and support the progress. All right. Good vibes. Here it is. Again, people still asking me, what is it? All right. But keep you guys updated because you don't know the thing already. You have to make you know exactly what's going on. Let's get my cup. Yeah, that is it right there, Chef Ricardo. You don't know the thing, go. You don't know it, go. This, you don't have to have high blood pressure to drink this, guys. You can just drink it because of the whole benefit, and its own is amazing and fantastic. All right, and please share the video, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, good vibes, people. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're going to pour off this garlic, white onion, and some cloves and a cups of water. You want to drink this in the morning, one in the evening before bedtime. All right, yeah, and that's the way it look. Amazing recipe. This is fantastic and amazing. Now what you want to do, this is the remain of the garlic and cloves, the white onion. Add a little bit of hot water. All right. Sleep it till in the morning. All right. Sleep it till in the morning. and drink the liquid. All right, in the morning you just warm it up. Don't put this in the fridge or your freezer. Just leave it right here like this, and then drink this tonight, because I'm gonna drink this before I go to my bed. Okay, we've been doing this over the last couple of days, and you might see more video of it, because it's a very powerful recipes for you guys to make at home.